That is close to nature. Minutes to Merton Mall next door. Let's take a look at the botany. 386 units over 5 blocks. Amazing resort club facilities. Opposite German International School. Excellent wind flow over landscape. Let's take a look inside. 3-bed plus flexi. Glass up kitchen with yard area. Large living hall. Flexible room, multiple usage. King-size bed and master. Queen and common bedroom. Bathrooms with ventilation. High ceiling can build bunk beds. More space for your children to grow. 2. Better plus study. Semi-enclosed kitchen. Effective dumbbell layout. Elegant bathrooms. Flexible study layout. Segregated dining from living. Large common room can fit queen. Spacious master. Fully done-up storage and master. The botany is nestled near the Bukit Timah and Dairy Farm Nature Park.